Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create photo albums on Samsung Galaxy A22. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we are gonna do is we will go to gallery, and as you can see I have pictures. It's normal, yes, but we go to we go to albums, then we press this big black plus here, then album, and we name it. For example, I will name it tutorial. Create, and I need to select photos what I will add there. Yes, so for example I have recently made some photos. I will pick them, done, and move, and moving to tutorial, and as you can see I have tutorial here and I have these photos. Thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.